Hello everyone, this is Julie. 皆さんこんばんは、ジュリです。本日も英検2級レベルの単語を読んでいきます。Participant. The participants were all gathered 15 minutes before the lecture started. Participant. 参加者。Participate. I participated in that lecture 2 years ago. Participate. 参加する。Particle. The particles bond when it is cooled. Particle. 微粒子。Pass away. He passed away last year. Pass away. なくなる、過ぎ去る。Pass down. The old tales have been passed down for generations. Pass down. 下の世代へ渡す、受け継ぐ。Pass over. Will you pass over the hammer? Pass over. 渡す。Pay off. Your work will pay off. Pay off. うまくいく。Perform. She will be performing on the new musical. Perform. 出演する、実行する。Performance. Your performance this month has been wonderful. Performance. 業績、パフォーマンス。Permission. You will need permission from your parents to go on a field trip. Permission. 許可。Permit. The government permits stores to sell the medicine if there is a pharmacist. Permit. 許可する。Permit A to do. He permitted to go on with the project. Permit A to do. A が何々することを許可する。Persuade. They persuaded her to be the project leader. Persuade. 説得する。Persuasion. Her persuasions were very convincing. Persuasion. 説得。How did you do? Persistence is the key to success. Keep up the good work. See you!